Hello, and welcome to the Northwest University. In this video, I will show you the following: how to navigate to and within the resources tool, how to download the available resources in eFundi. The tool is frequently used by lecturers to add different resources which you may need for study purposes or additional information. These can include documents, pictures, and videos. First, we will navigate to the resources tool to get started. Look on the left-hand side for the tab that says Resources and click on it. This will open up the Resources window. From here, we can see all of the different folders, subfolders, and files that have been uploaded. If you wish to view a specific folder, you will need to click on the title of the folder for it to open. A new window will open with all files and subfolders. Here we can see there are a few types of files that you can choose to download. If you click on the video file, it will ask whether you wish to save the file or open it in a different program. If we wish to download the Word document, we can just simply click on the link and it will ask us to either open it in Word or save it to our documents. If we wish to download the PDF file, click on the title link. The PDF will open in a new browser tab. At the top right, you will see a button to download the PDF. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.